What's up, Tuck? What's up? Say, what do you say, boy? Tucker. Tucker, get into the camera. Go get the raccoon. Don't let him actually get near the raccoon, though. Is it still in there? Holy shit! Holy shit! Tucker, I swear to God! Shit! Don't those things have rabies? Holy shit! Good boy. It's his first encounter with a raccoon. Nice. Shit! He's like freaking out.
How you say domesticated already?
Nothing. So, look. He's domesticated?
Yeah, they on the daytime. It's supposed to be nighttime.
Yeah.
They're everywhere
Oh,
now.
he's nocturnal. That's crazy.
Hello, Luis.
His name's Luis. Nice. What's up? Say what's up. Okay. Well, sweet. Tucker, no, chill out. Tucker, you can't have it. It's not yours. So what's up?
It's like, oh hell no, I'm not coming down.
That's so funny. See, that's where we are, and we've lost our damn mind bringing this thing here because everybody stares at us all the time.